The U.S. Air Force's RQ-4B Global Hawk reconnaissance drone went off the radar during a mission above the Black Sea, near Crimea. This incident, reported by RIA Novosti based on data from Flightradar as of June 4, has raised some eyebrows. Reports indicate that the high-altitude drone, marked with flight number 10 to 2045 and call sign Forte 12, took off from NATO's Sigonella air base in Italy. It navigated through Bulgarian airspace, heading towards the Black Sea to perform reconnaissance in the Crimean Peninsula's Special Operation Area. However, as of now, neither RIA Novosti nor Flightradar have provided additional details about what transpired. The Russian Ministry of Defense has also refrained from commenting on the incident. Earlier, on May 26, an RQ-4B Global Hawk was detected in the Black Sea near Sochi. As per its trajectory, the UAV had taken off from NATO's Sigonella naval base located on the island of Sicily. By 3 p.m. Moscow time, it was spotted near the coastlines of Krasnodar Krai and Crimea. In March 2023, Reuters reported that the US had resumed reconnaissance drone operations over the Black Sea following an incident where an MQ-9 crashed into the water. It was noted that on the same day, an RQ-4B Global Hawk conducted a reconnaissance flight in the area. CNN also confirmed this flight, referencing data from the Flightradar 24 service. The RQ-4B Global Hawk is a high-altitude, long-endurance, HAL unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force. It is primarily used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. The Global Hawk provides real-time, high-resolution imagery of large geographic areas, making it a critical asset for military and humanitarian operations. The dimensions of the RQ-4B Global Hawk are impressive. It has a wingspan of approximately 130.9 feet, 39.8 meters, a length of 47.6 feet, 14.5 meters, and a height of 15.3 feet, 4.7 meters. These dimensions allow the UAV to carry a variety of sensors and communication equipment while maintaining stability and endurance at high altitudes. The propulsion system of the RQ-4B Global Hawk consists of a single Rolls-Royce AE 3007H turbofan engine. This engine provides the necessary thrust for the UAV to reach its operational altitude and maintain long-duration flights. The engine's efficiency contributes to the Global Hawk's ability to stay airborne for extended periods, with a maximum endurance of over 32 hours. Technical characteristics of the RQ-4B Global Hawk include its ability to fly at altitudes up to 60,000 feet, 18,288 meters, and a range of approximately 12,300 nautical miles, 22,780 kilometers. The UAV is equipped with advanced avionics, including a GPS-aided inertial navigation system, and can operate autonomously or be controlled by ground operators. The RQ-4B Global Hawk is outfitted with various types of systems to fulfill its ISR role. These include synthetic aperture radar, SAR, electro-optical infrared, EOR/IR, sensors, and signals intelligence, SIGINT, payloads. These systems enable the UAV to capture detailed imagery, track moving targets, and intercept electronic communications, providing comprehensive situational awareness. The primary purpose of the RQ-4B Global Hawk is to conduct high-altitude, long-endurance reconnaissance missions. It supports a wide range of operations, from military surveillance and battlefield management to disaster response and environmental monitoring. The UAV's ability to cover vast areas with high-resolution imagery makes it an invaluable tool for decision-makers in various scenarios. The Global Hawk is operated by the United States Air Force, USAF. It is used as a high-altitude long-endurance, HAL, platform covering the spectrum of intelligence collection capability to support forces in worldwide military operations. According to the USAF, the superior surveillance capabilities of the aircraft allow more precise weapons targeting and better protection of friendly forces. Cost overruns led to the original plan to acquire 63 aircraft being cut to 45, and to a 2013 proposal to mothball the 21 Block 30 signals intelligence variants. The initial flyaway cost of each of the first 10 aircraft was $10 million in 1994. By 2001, this had risen to $60.9 million tilde $100 million in 2023, and then to $131.4 million flyaway cost in 2013. The US Navy has developed the Global Hawk into the RQ-4C Triton maritime surveillance platform. As of 2022, the US Air Force plans to retire its Global Hawks in 2027. The Global Hawk UAV system comprises the RQ-4 vehicle, which is outfitted with various equipment such as sensor packages and communication systems, and a ground element consisting of a launch and recovery element, LRE, and a mission control element, MCE, with ground communications equipment. Each RQ-4 vehicle is powered by an Allison Rolls-Royce AE 3007H turbofan engine with 7050 lbf, 31.4 knots, thrust, and carries a payload of 2,000 pounds, 910 kilograms. The fuselage uses aluminum, semi-monocoque construction with a V-tail. The wings are made of composite materials. There have been several iterations of the Global Hawk with different features and capabilities. The first version to be used operationally was the RQ-4A Block 10, which performed imagery intelligence, IMINT, with a 2,000 pounds and 910 kilograms payload of a synthetic aperture radar, SAR, with electro-optical, EO, and infrared, IR, sensors. 7A model Block 10S were delivered and all were retired by 2011. The RQ-4B Block 20 was the first of the B-model Global Hawks, which has a greater 3,000 pounds, 1,400 kilograms payload and employs upgraded SAR and EO/IR sensors. For Block 20S were converted into communications relays with the Battlefield Airborne Communications Node, BACN, payload. The RQ-4B Block 30 is capable of multi-intelligence, multi-INT, collecting with SAR and EO/IR sensors along with the Airborne Signals Intelligence Payload, ASIP, a wide-spectrum SIGINT sensor. The RQ-4B Block 40 is equipped with the Multi-Platform Radar Technology Insertion Program, MPRTIP, Active Electronically Scanned Array, AESA, radar, which provides SAR and Moving Target Indication, MTI, data for wide area surveillance of stationary and moving targets. The RQ-4 is capable of conducting sorties lasting up to 30 hours long, and scheduled maintenance must be performed sooner than on other aircraft with less endurance. However, since it flies at higher altitudes than normal aircraft, it experiences less wear during flight. It can survey as much as 40,000 square miles, 100,000 square kilometers of terrain per day, an area the size of South Korea or Iceland.